Lay your head on my pillow, say ooh, ooh. Hey y'all, it's your girl Liz, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, I am in the shower getting down and dirty with y'all. Just kidding. I am going to be washing my hair today and just showing y'all what I do, my little routine. It's not really a routine, I'm just washing my hair. It's been about almost 2 weeks with the same style M. So it needs to be washed real good. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just starting off by saturating my hair, getting it really wet. And I'm scratching my hair not only because it feels good, but just to get up whatever buildup has been on my scalp. And I got a quick little length check for y'all. So it is getting longer, of course, because I haven't been straightening my hair, but that's the length of my hair right now. So of course, before I apply anything to my hair, I part my hair in sections. Parting my hair in sections while washing definitely makes it easier for me on the wash, and just the whole detangling process, it makes it much easier. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. I lost my wide tooth shower comb, so I'm using that comb for now, but I am working my way from the bottom to the roots of my hair. That's usually how I detangle it. When I detangle it this way, it promotes less breakage by starting from the ends of my hair to my roots. So that's what I'm doing right now. And excuse the faces that I be making. I don't know why I make those faces when I'm washing my hair. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just felt like that. Yeah, baby, we just felt like that. So right now, I'm going in with the Creme of Nature, acai, berry, and something else. I love this stuff. It smells so good. So as you can see, the texture varies on my hair. The back of my hair is more of a looser, wavy texture, and the top of my hair is more thick. My junior year of high school, I had cut my hair really short. And my hair was past my shoulders in my junior year, but I had a lot of heat damage because I was straightening my hair. And the way I was straightening my hair, it wasn't even me straightening my hair so much, but the way I was straightening it, not using heat protectant, making multiple passes with each section. So I did damage my hair with straightening it. So I had to cut off all those ends. Now, most of the time when I'm shampooing my hair, it gets tangled all over again. So I'm just combing it a little bit to, I guess, detangle it some more so it doesn't get too tangled.
ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak.
So when I'm shampooing, I usually just start from the roots of my hair and let the shampoo trickle down into the ends. But I'm doing 2 washes, so the first wash is going to be focusing more on my roots and the buildup. The second wash is just like a another cleanse, I guess you could say.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone.
Don't mind the parts. Of course, they're not gonna be perfect because I'm just detangling them.
I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause a thing. But I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me.
And here I go with more detangling. I think the reason why my hair gets tangled so much is because of the different textures in my hair. I don't know. If anybody knows why, definitely put in the comments so I can see what I could do different so my hair doesn't get as tangled.
No one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you anywhere.
I have my Creme of Nature mango and shea butter conditioner that I use. I love this stuff. It smells so good. Creme of Nature products always smell good. I usually use the conditioner and I'll leave it in for 5 minutes, although it's not a leave-in conditioner or a deep conditioner. I still leave all my conditioners in for about 5 minutes and then I rinse it out. I do this just to secure more moisture from the conditioner. But this is the conclusion of my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It was a pleasure, of course. See y'all in my next one. Bye.